Yo, what's up everybody? Chad Benny here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video. And in today's video, my friends, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can start earning free Amazon gift cards literally for just watching videos. Do you watch videos on YouTube? How about getting paid in free Amazon gift cards and plenty of other gift cards as well, such as Target, Walmart, Starbucks, and the list goes on, you guys. If you're spending time on the likes of any of these websites, actually, such as Facebook, I know everybody out there spending a ton of time on Facebook. Again, YouTube, you guys, watching videos on YouTube, and I'm talking any videos that you want. No specific videos. Watch the content that you enjoy. Start earning free Amazon gift cards. If you're spending time on LinkedIn, and I know everyone out there is watching or is spending time on LinkedIn, you guys looking for new jobs, right? Or if you're spending time on Twitter or Amazon, you can start earning free Amazon gift cards today. Make sure that you stick with me through the entire video because we're going to be talking about two different websites that are very high paying, very simple, very easy to do, that are going to pay out cash and gift cards. You're going to love it. Make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. All right, you guys, who's ready to start making some money online and start earning free Amazon gift cards? If you are, make sure that you've dropped me a comment. Let me know that you were here, even if you just type free Amazon gift cards. I always appreciate everybody checking in. Also, if you are brand new to this channel, it's extremely important that you are subscribed to this channel, that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos every single week, just like the video that you're watching right now, teaching you the best money-making strategies out there on the internet. Also, at any time during this video, if you find any valuable content, please make sure that you crush that thumbs up until it turns blue, you guys, and make sure that you share this video with your friends and your family so we can help as many folks make money online, because that's exactly what's happening right here at Nonstop Money TV, you guys. I want to help as many people as I possibly can make money online and put more money in their pockets. I know there's a ton of people out there that could use the extra money right now, so let's make that happen. I also want to share with you in this video that I'm going to be giving you direct access to my mentor that has absolutely changed the game for me this year and showed me how to create my own online business with passive income where you can earn up to $1,000 a day. Some folks are making even $1 million a year, and this could be you, you guys. This is the recipe for success. Make sure that you look for it in this video. You're going to love it. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, who's ready to start making some money online and start earning some free Amazon gift cards? Now, as you can see, this first website that I'm sharing with you right here has paid out over $59 million in cash rewards. It's very high paying. I want you to understand one thing here. This first website I'm showing you is the least paying highest. The next one's going to pay you even more, and the next website that I show you is going to pay you for things that you're doing every single day anyways, completely passively. You don't have to do anything extra. Just do as you normally would every single day online. So make sure that you stick with me again, you guys, through this entire video. Now this one, as you can see, is very high paying. I'm showing you this because it's a very good high quality website that pays out in free Amazon gift cards, as well as PayPal cash, as well as checks, you guys. So all kinds of gift cards, all kinds of rewards. And this is really cool. There's a bunch of different ways that you can actually earn right here on this website, and one of them just happens to be just watching videos. Now, as you can see down here at the bottom, there is 5-star ratings across the board here on Trustpilot. They have 4 stars. It's been rated by 9,368 people. That is a ton of people, a 4-star rating. Something else here I want to point out real quickly here is we want to be spending our time with legitimate sources to make money online and earn free Amazon gift cards, correct? So check out these partners right here that they're partnered with below me right here: Netflix, Target.com, H&R Block, Walmart, Publishers Clearinghouse, PCH.com, guys. Those are phenomenal partners. This is 100% legit and a great way to start earning your first bucks online. So here's 6 different ways you can get paid right here with this one website. Now, all of them are exciting. All of them are very easy, but first and foremost, I want to point out right here is you can get paid literally for watching videos. And what I like about watching videos the most is you can get paid passive income for doing this, because all you really have to do is hit the play button. You don't actually have to watch the video. You can simply have it playing in another tab. You can minimize it. You can put it on another monitor. It's completely up to you. And you can also be doing other things while you're watching this video, right? It doesn't require any input at all other than the fact that you press play. So press play on a video, be doing some online surveys. You could also be doing your shopping at the same time. And if you're someone that likes to play games, you can actually get paid just to play games right here on this website as well. They're gonna give you tons of coupons and cash rewards, and you can also get paid to read emails. So if you're someone that just likes to read emails, you can get paid for doing that as well. The paid online surveys, by the way, are very high paying online surveys right here. As you can see, you can make $5 for 3 minutes of your time. You can even make anywhere from $10 to $20 or more for doing paid surveys. But again, you guys, I really like the watching videos because that's just so easy to do. It does not require your attention. Press play, walk away, and start making money. Now, this website right here is actually gonna pay you $5 just for signing up to it. Now, the next step to earn your first $5 online is to come to this website right here. Come over to where this green box is right here at the top and click on where it says $5 bonus, this pink sign right here where it says sign me up. Give your name, your email address, follow the very easy steps, and you'll earn your first $5 online. Now, I know you're probably wondering, what website are we on, Chad? Well, the name of the website is called Inbox Dollars, you guys. You'll love this. Google it, search it. It's legit. Check it out, inboxdollars.com. Start earning money online right now, today. Free Amazon gift cards. All right, listen up and pay close attention here. There's a few key things that you must do to start getting paid to watch YouTube videos, you guys. Now, the name of the website we're on right now is called joinupvoice.com. Now, once you get here, there's a few key things that you must know for this to work. What I like about this the most, and I want to point out, is if you're spending any time on the likes of Facebook, I know a ton of you are out there spending all kinds of time on Facebook, that if you're on YouTube, watching videos, making videos, it doesn't matter, whatever videos you want to watch, there's no special things that you have to do, there's no special things that you have to click on, no tasks, no tests, nothing, you guys. You just do and browse as you normally would every single day. If you are on LinkedIn, if you are on Amazon.com doing your shopping, or if you're on Twitter sending tweets or reading tweets or whatever, if you're on any of these 5 different websites, you can start earning points that you can cash out for free Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, and the list goes on. I'm not gonna read them all off over there for you, but tons of free gift cards. Great way to start making money online completely passively just for installing a browser extension. Now again, pay close attention here. Here's the key things that you must be doing for this to work. You must turn off your ad blocker. You must have a Facebook account because you have to sign in with a Facebook account. You must download the Google Chrome extension, so you must have Google Chrome as your web browser, right? So we're gonna download the Google Chrome extension. Now what happens after you do this is it's a little plugin in your browser. It's 100% safe, secure. You can go on Google, check out UpVoice, and see the reviews for yourself, you guys. People love this. It's a great way to start earning passive income and start earning free Amazon gift cards, literally for doing nothing at all. There's nothing you have to do other than download the Chrome extension for this. And when you're on any of these 5 different sites right here, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Amazon, or Twitter, you're going to start accumulating points. And you want to do this every single day because they're going to give you 300 tokens up front. You have to get up to 600 before you can actually cash out for a gift card. So they're going to give you 300 right up front. And every day that you come back and visit one of these 5 different websites, which is very easy to do, right? Because you're on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Amazon, or Twitter, which everyone's spending a bunch of time there anyways, they're gonna give you 10 points just for visiting those sites every single day. So very, very simple. You guys can check out the frequently asked questions right here. We'll go into more detail with any questions that you have, but it's a great way to start earning money online, literally for doing nothing at all other than watching YouTube videos or just hanging out, chatting with your friends on Facebook, whatever it is you do online. That's 5 easy ways to start making some money. All right, now listen up and pay close attention because this is the best part of this video right here. This information will absolutely set you free. Remember in the beginning of this video where I told you I was gonna give you direct access to my mentor that absolutely changed the game for me, you guys. They taught me how to build my very own online business where I earned passive income, where I could get time back on my side and start calling the shots in my life, where I could work when I wanted, where I wanted, from anywhere in the world, as long as I had an internet connection. Well, you can do this too. This is what I want to do for you guys. I want to save you a bunch of time. Understand one thing here. I've spent 15 years looking for an opportunity like this, fumbling around, trying to find the truth, and I want to do this for you in a matter of minutes. The only thing you need to do is make a decision. Check out the link directly in the top of this description. It says my #1 recommendation to make money online, and I want to make that very, very clear, you guys. That is by far my #1 recommendation to make money online. Understand one thing here. Everything that we talked about in this video today is a great way to start earning some extra cash. It's some great side income. You can buy gifts, whatever you want on Amazon.com, right? but it's not going to make you rich. It's not passive income, not real passive income, right? It's not gonna pay you for the rest of your life. You're still gonna have to go to work. You're still gonna have to work for somebody else. I don't want that for you. That's what this channel is all about right here. NonstopMoneyTV.com, by the way. You can visit that link as well if you wanna type that in. I've also left it in the top of the description. This year is your year. Make a decision, you guys. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. That's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next video. Make sure, if you have not already done so, make sure that you crush that thumbs up until it turns blue. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, that you hit that bell notification, that you dropped me a comment. Let me know that you were here, even if you just type free Amazon cash, free Amazon gift cards, you guys, free PayPal cash, whatever. Say hello. I don't care. Leave me a comment. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, your family. That's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.